it's your girl Jasmine here with another tutorial. Finally, the long-awaited lash extension tutorial. One day I decided to post it to Instagram and everybody went crazy, like, you know, why they look so natural. So I'm making a video for you guys so you can learn step by step on how I achieved this look. It only took me about 20 minutes to complete my eyelashes. Everything that I bought for this was under 10 bucks. So it's very, very affordable, and if you can honestly like just get it down, you will be able to do your lash extensions and you'll never have to go see a lash tech again, sis. Let's just jump right to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give your girl a thumbs up. I know you're gonna find this video very, very informative. By the way, the glue that I'm using is from Kiss. It is the INB Long Lasting Individual Adhesive. Waterproof, of course, sis, because you want this to last a couple days. Yeah, I just like to pour a little at a time. It does dry kind of quickly. Start off with that much. Also, I like to cut the strips as I go, but I mean, you could cut the whole, like if you just wanted to go ahead and cut the whole strip before you get started, you can definitely do that. Alright, so here I have the first lash. You obviously want to hold it upside down like this so that you can place it underneath the eye like that. And then you also want to make sure that you get the glue on the top of the knot. This is the eyelash, and you want to make sure that you put it on top of the knot. Lifting up the eye, I'm just gonna place it right here. So I place it like right, so on the very edge of my eyelid onto the hairs, just like that. And we're just gonna keep going. All right, I'm just gonna do that again, right next to that lash. Press it in, boom. Undetectable. Just keep going, keep cutting. Now, I will be honest, this glue, it does have a very strong smell, and you know, once it's close to your eyes, like if it's not like really dry, it's so strong. Like, so just be mindful, be careful of that if you're gonna use the glue that I'm using. Yes, sis, this is a really good method for really cheap. You know, I'm all about budgeting. Yeah, guys, so I mean, this is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just kind of gonna do the same thing all the way up until I get to the front. You see, I'm just placing these right at the edge of my eyelid, so it's not going in my eyeball or anything like that. Very safe. It doesn't irritate my eyes. I sleep with these. I do everything that I do with my lash extensions. That is it, guys. Look at how beautiful. You can't tell, sis, that these are not real lash extensions. Period. They look so good, very lightweight. By the way, I got my eyebrows microbladed about almost 2 months ago, and they just look really, really good. I obviously need to clean them up, but they look good. So if you guys want to know about my microblading experience, or I do have to go back for one more appointment, so let me know. Put that in the comments if you guys want to vlog whenever I go back to my second microblading appointment. And I got you guys. I will definitely record that, because I know when I posted on Instagram, so many people had so many questions. Sometimes I like to go in with a clear mascara and just lock it in. This is the finished product. I hope you guys learned something. Sis, I hope you learned how to do your lashes. Hopefully you can get it down and master, and you can save money. So I love you guys, and I'll be back soon. Peace.